What are you doing in my swarm?
Oh, hey, you guys startled me. Well, today I'm gonna be doing a vlog. But I'm gonna be using this voice
the whole time.
Nah, JKs, that would be annoying. The only reason I'm doing it is because it's annoying. Okay, better get up, get dressed.
Make breakfast.
Eat breakfast. Pack my bag. Time to get on the bus now. I'm going into Melbourne to see my mum and brothers today. Also, I'ma stop this voice because it's probably pissing you guys off.
What up, world? How's this for a statement of intent? What up, built up? Yeah, in the out. Yeah, and we got them knuckleheads hands full, so they clench your fists. No small feet, step to this. We slack cane off in surgical work tracks. The fact get flayed off of haystack, it ain't coffin. Bowl over the batsman, fact this ain't Gotham. I talk snow and powder, white caps, it ain't Hotham. I swing from a building like King Kong, eat 'em up and spit out a pussy like some Thailand ping pong. Monstrous, Nietzsche, God killer, Godzilla, controversial like I see you drop a call killer. I'm off kilter like a naked Scotsman often, holding cold like Kim Jong and Rodman. I run till up my heart, a little left is center and to the left is fresh, feeling fresh as ever. We funnel through the train yards, through the tunnels and the drains. We're coming down, we're coming down. From the rooftops, from the hills, we're running through
Okay, hey guys, I'm with my brothers.
Okay.
That one is Jack, you would have seen him in like all my videos, and that one is Lachlan, you would have also seen him in like all my videos. Okay, so right now we are going to, where are we going?
Crown Casino.
To see
Batman movie?
the Lego Batman movie, that's it.
Lego.
Alright. So yeah, we're just gonna be walking there, seeing the movie, and then like, I don't even know, something.
Please! I hate Melbourne.
Okay, off we go.
Okay.
Oh, wrong one. Hey, this is a competition. Hey guys, I just went up the down escalators. Oh wait, no, this isn't where you buy tickets. You buy tickets somewhere else. Whee! Tickets.
Yo.
Yo, yo, yo. Yo, yo, yo. Yo.
Yo.
Alright, we just got out of that movie. It was A-OK. What do you give it out of 10, Lachlan?
7.5.
7.5 out of 10 by Lachlan. What do you give it, Jack?
8.
Jack gives it an 8, and I give it banana out of piranha. Okay, yo, we gonna go meet mum now. Let's go, run.
And circus.
Run in that direction. That way. Run.
Okay.
I said run. Look, it says no public access. Let's access it. You ready to access it, Lachlan?
I just accessed it.
Oh my god, he accessed it. He's so hardcore. You a rebel. What do you have to say for yourself, you rebel?
I
What
like
do you-
being a rebel.
Oh, he likes being a rebel. Hashtag Rebel Nation. Oh.
Is that fine?
Yo, yo, yo.
Ho.
Yo, yo, yo. Yo, yo, yo. Yo, yo, yo. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm going for the one on the right. Oh my god, there's 3 of them now. There's 3 of them. Oh, it's sneaking up behind. Oh, that one flew away. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, we're in Batman Park, just after seeing the Lego Batman
movie.
Yeah, the Lego Batman movie. So you know what we gonna do in this Batman Park? What we gonna do? What we gonna do?
Be Batman.
What we gonna do? What we gonna do? What we gonna do?
Be Batman.
You have to unleash your inner Batman, alright?
Okay.
On the count of 3, I want you all to just become Batman, okay?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
I'm Batman.
Okay.
I'm Batman.
Batman! Other Batman! Whoa! He's dead! Save him, Batman! Save him! I said save him, not jump over him! Save this man!
He needs CPR.
Yes! Mouth-to-mouth resuscitation time! Batman! Batman, you saved him! You saved this man's life! Congratulations, I want to shake your hand. Crank it up a bit more. Just get it all the way to the brim. It's not that far.
Oh, come on, Jack. Oh.
Hey guys, we found a high pressure buried gas pipeline. It says do not dig. What you gonna do, Lachlan?
Dig!
Oh my god, the rebel is back! The rebel is back! What do you have to say for yourself?
I love being a rebel.
Oh my god, he loves being a rebel! Hashtag Rebel Nation! Oh my god, we gotta report this man to the rebel police! Holy banana! Look, we just found the best guy around. He has made friends with all of these birds and he's just feeding them. He's just awesome. He is amazing. Just starting.
You could. Maybe. Oh.
It broke free. Doo 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 doo. It didn't hit it.
Come on. Yeah, okay.
Come on.
Did he catch
Come on.
it? Did he catch it?
It broke free again.
Oh, what? I thought you got it then.
I missed it again. Okay, let's go.
Yeah, you did.
I got it!
What?
While running.
Wait, how? You couldn't have. What?
Whee! Oh my god, what's this thing?
What? What's that?
Okay, I'm gonna catch this.
What the hell's that? It's a lead fire.
Lead, yeah, Jack knows what it is.
I wonder if you... Do you have a Kangaskhan?
Yeah.
What?
Caught it!
Pretty sure I heard that you find a lot of bugs on it. Didn't you get that at the Melbourne Zoo?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Here it is, the sacred temple of the banana god. No! Do not enter in vain. Get down on your knees. Repeat after me. Repeat after me.
Repeat after me.
Sacred banana god.
Sacred banana god.
I bid to be your slave. Say it.
I bid to be your slave.
And serve you for the rest of time.
And serve you for the rest of time.
And I will never abandon you.
I will never abandon you.
And I shall uncross my fingers.
And I shall uncross my fingers.
And I solemnly swear
And I solemnly swear
to uncross my fingers again.
to uncross my fingers again.
I will be with you forever.
I will be with you forever.
And I will uncross my fingers again.
And I will uncross my fingers again.
Congratulations, you are now a potato.
What?
Well, when you sacrifice your life to the banana god, you become a potato. Watch out.
What?
There's a bomb up ahead.
What? Oh, they can.
No, there. It's a bomb. See, it's counting.
Let's defuse
It's counting up. You've got to defuse it, Lachlan. You've got to defuse it quickly.
I think there's a red or blue fire.
Use your awesome skills. Oh, he's doing
Okay.
it. He's doing it.
You know?
Did you do it?
No.
It's still on. Quickly.
Go, Mark.
Quickly. Say something to it. Do some chant to make it stop.
Sesame.
Oh look! Oh no! It's still going. It's still going quickly.
Open sesame.
Oh look! It stopped.
Oh, yeah.
It's not there anymore.
Yes.
It stopped. You saved Melbourne, Lachlan. What do you have to say?
I'm brilliant. Huh? I hate Melbourne.
And man, these rappers are so roped for a quote the top of my character downloads whole phone and apertures to capture a dose of the most potent caliber and map on my genomes for a clone like Attica. So spectacular, close choking amateur, the coroner's notes wrote overdose vernacular, so known to carry the throne, broke the barrier from south of the globe to the frozen coast of Canada.
I never phone it in. Live wire on shore callers. Pick it up if the situation calls for it. Switching countries when summer's done's my take on what a shortfall is. Bringing high power to tall orders. With more rhymes in hymn books, more lines to sing. But look right, you get more bites with big hooks. And if it's a big look, then you get more biters. So these kids are crooks but call themselves riders.
Funnel through the train yards, through the tunnels and the drains. We're coming down. We're coming down. From the rooftops, from the hills, we're running through abandoned buildings. Coming down. We're coming down. We're coming down. Come on down. There is a stage and that is a drum track, and I'm like Kelly, feel me, been there, done that. Every time we come back, they treat it like it comes.
Alright guys, I'm filming on my GoPro now because my other camera has run out of charge. I had to leave my brothers back at the station because we couldn't take the same bus, sadly, so now I'm just here waiting for my next bus to get home. I'm just going to sign off now, so if you like this type of video, I haven't really done this before, but if you liked it, please leave a like, let me know. And if you were outside of the 18 people who are subscribed to me, then please hit subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.